Hey guys, Steve at White Top of Interest here. So today I want to talk about the different curtain setups we have for the shelf and how to install them. Obviously we have this insulated curtain here for the curtain rod, and it comes in with two pieces, and it's fairly simple. In the middle, to determine which ones goes where, the two pieces in the middle, they're all magnetized, so they kind of clip into each other. And for the side, obviously, the curvature of the curtain matches the curvature of the van. For the looping mechanism here for the rod, so basically it's really simple. You just unhook it, hook it back in like that. Go underneath here, and now you're pretty much done. So, and this thing is going to come with some accessories. So basically, we're going to have these bands that you can fold them up and secure them. I'll show you here. And also, they're going to come with these magnets. So pretty much, these needs to go corresponding to the location where the magnet of the curtain will go. So that will secure it on the side of your van. But if you, in any case that you don't want to use these because they are have to be secure with self-tapping screws, and obviously you're going to drill through whatever material that you have here, either been a plastic or a wood trim of some kind. If you don't want to do that, we also supply with these double-sided adhesive little metal tabs that does not work as good as the magnet on the other side, but then again, if you don't want to drill, you can just simply tape them here. So for this one here, I'm just going to drill through it so you guys have an idea of how this is installed. Self-tapping screw. Kind of locate where this needs to be. I see here is pretty good. I make a mark right here. So yeah, just basically screw into the plastic or whatever material you have, and you should just attach. And do the same thing on the bottom. I'll do. Okay, so in this case, it's not magnet to each other. So I'm gonna just undo this here, flip this, and you should be good to go. So let's fold this up, and I'll show you how this band works. So let's say you want to open the curtain like this, and you want to keep it as it is. Simply wrap this around. Connect the hook and just pull. Okay, if you want it, we give you 4 of these, so you can go ahead and do 2 on each curtain, each side. Again, we made it super simple. Connect the hook to the loop and pull. And you're good to go.